Mesa Emma Wakwaba Edeba Attention TV so. Dano enkola enyi and I will be sober. Even in before you work and I say still have their role models near role models there. Mon I because wash a bob so ebra. Na nipa balconos work and I say watching the pa any honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong you be as say ni dear or pray for presidential seat edema MPP amemo naturally so we need there or no anabedi MPP amemo any. Na we anokopie mu Cape Coast na ne de wode dwumade de ehhehye so a edema mabu na wo kire ma kire se guardians maintenance na ne nnamu no ana honorable Kennedy Agyapong recall na ono ho ana obekire ma kire se kamya kwa se youth bebre na the dia ana wo bo opese wo yete se honorable Kennedy Agyapong because we know him to be upright and disciplined na enemu anonam so wakika kire se abraboy mu de enye easy krakrakra abrabo no soft ofan soft fi say okaipa na so okai na chipa bra for workers bi ewia ni 1 million like yen kan say juma na cold store na ohwe cold store and fast store say na yesanso ewia e de ka ho honorable Kennedy Agyapong e de say bebre ana tudwa ye be ko ne akotie e de abana so ansana no when oni bi agyankama browa opeso che orphanage bi ade dia e le fa be fa ko University Foundation as on a number and 0548302985.
I have a bitter experience about 2 weeks ago when a young girl and 2 young boys at the age of 25, 26 have given them employment, and these youth conspire with another young guy to steal fish to the tune of over 1 million Ghana cedis from my coastal. What one police officer said was age. Akwe waniade wa bokrono a ko bokene Japan so krono o ma bokrono a badene nyankopon na ka so mebo me hokrono ni anchiwo. We have arrested them because omu trika omu de e wotema answer omu bu enkofo. Now, how long are you going to live with such a dishonesty life? How long? On says they say he's been caught. Oma remando Ombekoje. Omabano bibia no wia every obia because of dishonesty he would have lost everything. Now these young men here Omunu kredie obia man 12,000 cedis. Say omfanko yejuma. And then another interesting year me there one say, or see, I sold my car for 14,000 cedis and bought 11 machines. Today he can afford to go and buy the car back. But also there, because of some nice girl, binti, now you want to create impressions and also you are there. What broke complete, but you don't want to sell the car to establish a business that will give you your daily bread. Learn from him. My story is no different from these 2 young men. They've said it all. See, when we were in Agyapong College, my Nana chairman, he left before I went to Agyapong College. But he knows that those from affluence home, they were on top. Our names were not there. But today, with a dint of hard work, I will say that Adysko guys into your own hands. Don't rely on government. When we are university, 5 years, utifie, 6 years, utifie, unya jumanya. Learn from him. Learn from him. Don't sit there. I always say, Udie, kakoto esambako. Neye brodo. Na udi jina kwa o cracky jokes. Kwesi bread papa. Ka bi etwam bi traffic light say kwesi bread papa. That is the beginning of entrepreneurship. You will see, sit here, any send you will see a two meeting, Homestar bread, me kokana, and maybe srimi. Me yeah, advert man, Homestar bread. And then every shop in America, no matter the distance, wants Homestar bread. You can do same. Go out there. Be creative. Don't sit down and wait for manna to come from heaven. That is not what I did. Me senya parliament am koya na menye abenjumada. But we started from humble beginning. Because Germany, the whole Germany, ejuma na hwani nkukuom eni aprapra. We worship the cook restaurant, we worship plates. That time, no mum pese restaurant in crown, omo pese ombehu se bibini eye adwuma ho. Nti wo ra kitchen ho na umpie biem. Wo share kitchen wa 24/7. Call 5 to 5. 5 p.m. I'm starting adwuma to another 5 a.m. If you 5 a.m. no na masako mekoye aprapra. Ewo shops bi ni friend Promat. A supermarket and a koya proper 2 hours. If you are my brother, my teacher, and one of my dad. But when I say ticket inspectors and all bars, faculty better, no will push you. Many are red. Now, station also me see rotten box salt. Edicon, but me come, let the medio blancanese. I heard it, and your friend, yet you are. Oko friend, and so uncle patch your mouth, or so for so uncle patch your mouth. When you attract Uzon, you have to pay the difference. They could tell, say, Nipan, brand wada, and you say, oh, we are trained. Till they allow me to pay the difference. We went to America. I'm here Jumao Zaro Bakery. Before Korea Jumao gas station. Free gas station. Any power children me first, or they may call gas station, as they say, oh, swimming. On one the side children driving. To be free gas station, Hono. And Monsieur driving the cookie taxi. Now, gas station, ho. Now, me timi ya juma 88 hours a week. Now, my year juma 40 hours a week from bakery. Timinya over 128 hours. Now, 128 hours. Missy Kenya now about 405. Now, Ghana near our coffee for OJ 405. That time it was a lot of money because Omukura American passport crown. Omkoyejma Ward of Pastoria, near Hamsley Palace, no money a year. 250. But because I put in more hours, I was making more money than them.
Honorable Kennedy Agyapong and Brokopio mo Cape Coast Media Biasia, wo tu mebunu for any Ghana phone now for any other some attention TV.